welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. So in this video, I thought I would go ahead and share with you guys my gratis haul. If you're not familiar with what gratis haul is, as an Ulta Beauty employee, I do get and receive products for review, to test and try so I can help guests and customers when they come in looking for products. So this is going to be gratis that I have received in this new year. So I would say from January to like beginning of March that I've received so far. Yesterday I did go to a Lancome training, in-person training, which was my first since being with Lancome. I started back with Lancome at Ulta Beauty in August of last year, and I've always done more virtual trainings. This is the first time that I got to go to a actual in-person training, which was super fun. Got to meet a lot of people, some people that work for Ulta Beauty as Lancome beauty advisors, and people that have worked for like Dillard's and Macy's and have been with Macy's for, with Lancome at those places for so long. I think met somebody yesterday that had been with Lancome at Dillard's for 21 years. That's crazy. It was super fun. I'm going to just show you what all, including yesterday, what I got from the meeting and then previous. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. It's quite a bit, so I don't want to take too much time in one specific product because it's a lot. So I received this Clinique Moisture Surge Active Glow Serum. This is a new serum that Clinique is coming out with. It's in the Moisture Surge family. It's has HA, vitamin C, and AHA. It does have some products in there, so if you do use it on a daily basis, I do, like in the morning, I do know that you have to put your sunscreen on over top. I did try a little bit of this. I'm trying to finish up one of my serums, but this is what it looks like. And it's supposed to be a really nice serum for hydration, but also for giving a glow to the skin. Also received some Mario Badescu products, which is in this bag right here. That works for Mario. She's amazing. She's just the best. We absolutely love her at our store. And so, yeah, she always brings us little goodies, which is super sweet. So I got a little thing of patches, which we do enjoy. I enjoy. I also got another lip mask. This is the acai and vanilla. I don't think I have the acai and vanilla. I think I had just the original. But these, if you have dry lips and you're looking for like a product that you could sleep in and wear to bed and wake up with your lips feel nice and hydrated and juicy, this is going to be the product for you. And it's super affordable as well. I got a little mini super peptide right there. Great anti-aging product. I also got a repairing facial spray with, I don't know how to pronounce that, something acid. So this is supposed to be that product that is like the Tower 28, or I think it's Tower 28, that spray that's supposed to be like disinfecting and things like that. That's this product, and we've had a ton of great reviews on that product. People love that. I got a hydrating glow serum right there. I also got these cute stickers to put on my cups or anything. I love when we get stickers. Got a brightening eye cream. I think I've tried this eye cream in a full size. I did like it. And then a scrub, the botanical scrub. This one's nice as well. Their stuff is super affordable, really nice, clean products. Really love them. Mario Badescu has been around for a long time, and I feel like people are starting to remember them again. So yeah, really excited for those. I also got from the brand Briogeo, I got this Farewell Frizz Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. Love these. And then I got the Scalp Revival right there in the packet. I think I have a full size of this, so I'll probably pass that for a giveaway or something. Thing I got was this kit from Drunk Elephant. This is the Littles kit right there. So I got this whole set. It comes with a Bestie number 9 jelly cleanser, the C Firma Fresh Day Serum, protini polypeptide cream, the TLC Fram Boost Glycolic Night Serum, the Virgin Murrela Luxury Facial Oil, and the Umbra Sheer SPF 30. It comes with all of that. I think that's pretty awesome because I think this retails for $74 normally, so that's pretty good. I'm gonna have to move my bag. This is how big my bag is. Can you see that? Like, that's crazy. Cleanser from Drunk Elephant called the Mello Murrela Cream Cleanser. This is supposed to be really good for dry skin. It says it's an ultra gentle, low lather cream cleanser that calms and balances as it melts away the day, removing makeup, sunscreen, and pollution. It says it soothes and replenishes and nourishes the skin with oatmeal and marula oil. Effective to remove impurities without stripping. So that is what that looks like. It's one of the great perks of working at Ulta because you get all this type of things. The Drunk Elephant Protini moisturizer. I have used the whole one of those up. I really do like it. I think it's a great moisturizer. I got from Thomas Roth. These are the peptide skin injection hydra gel patches right there. These help to relax and lift the look of dynamic expression lines around the eyes and brow area for needle-free results. Helps with crow's feet. It says it brightens with cactus flower and squalene. Niacinamide. So yeah, I'm really excited to give those a try. I love eye patches, and I'm definitely going to put those in the refrigerator. Maybe get them cooler so they can work even more. I got this Polite Society. This is their loose powder and the brightening petal, which is the pink right there. I've wanted to try this powder for so long, and the fact that I finally got it, I'm super excited because I did not want to have to pay for it because I have way too many powders. But super cute packaging. It looks like that. I have yet to try this yet. It's a good size. I have not used it just yet. Looks like that. But this has been something on my radar for a long time, so I'm glad that I finally got it and didn't have to buy it. The powder blush stick, and this is in Los Angeles. It looks like that. Polite Society is owned by the previous owner of Too Faced, Jared, I can't think of his last name. That's what that looks like. Jared something. This is the shade. It's like a real pretty pink. It's coming off more purple on camera, but it's more on the pinky side. I don't know if you guys are aware, but Ulta now carries the brand Tatcha. And so we got some products from that, which we're super excited. I love Tatcha. I have tried a ton of their products. I do love their products that I've tried so far. And so the fact that we have them at Ulta now is pretty amazing. But I did get the Tatcha Silk Sunscreen. This is broad spectrum SPF 50 right there. Can never have too many sunscreens. I go through sunscreens quickly because I'm wearing it every day. We did also get the brand Milk at Ulta, and my Ulta has it, and the brand Farmacy. So yeah, it's been super exciting lately. We've been getting a ton of new brands. Milk Makeup Primer, Hydro Grip Primer, the original Hydro Grip, which I've never purchased myself or bought, but the fact that we got it was amazing. It looks like that. I think I might have tried a sample or something that Sephora might have given me like in a packet, and I did enjoy it, so I hope I still love it. That's been quite some time. I did get one of their Milk Makeup Cooling Water Jelly Tints in the shade Burst right there. So the fact that I didn't have to buy it, super happy about that. I'm not going to try to swatch it or anything right now because I think it's going to make a very big mess. it's already messy around the stuff. I got from Farmacy the Lip Smoothie Honey Vanilla Vitamin C Peptide Lip Balm. It looks like that. And this is what the container looks like. Very pretty. I did smell this in store and I love the smell. Definitely the one that I would have definitely chosen would have been this one for sure. Another Moisture Surge. This is a cream that's more of a gel consistency, so I got that. As mini of the Tatcha Dewy Cream right there. I have tried this a long time ago. I did really enjoy it. I felt like it was super hydrating on my skin. I also got a mini of the new e.l.f. Thirst Burst Drops. These are the e.l.f. Dew Drops. These are in Juicy Pink. These are new to e.l.f. You're supposed to add it. This is a mini. You're supposed to add it to your skin or to your foundation. I got two new Morphe brushes. These are from the new Morphe line, M104. This is a foundation brush right there. Super nice brushes. And then I got the M133, which is a concealer brush. These are nice. They're super affordable too, but the fact that I got them in there is nice. I did also get a fragrance. I got the Philosophy Radiant Grace Eau de Parfume. It looks like that. This is a full size, like I said. This one has, it's a unique scent. It has Cherry Accord with Comforting Bouquet of Jasmine, warm radiant glow that brings others closer to others. It's a different scent than I normally would gravitate towards, but what I do love is if I add like my Mod Vanilla from Ariana Grande, I feel like it goes very well together. It kind of softens the floral of it and kind of makes it a little warmer. So it's not horrible, but it does have a lot of that jasmine floral to it. But I did get that. I'm always grateful for fragrances because they're expensive, and so I don't really fuss or complain about it when I get those. And then real quick, I'm just going to show you what I got from my training yesterday. It's not much, but it's something. And so from the Lancome training that I went to yesterday, I received this little patch, I guess. It's a Lancome rose patch. I think you iron it on or something. And then I also got the full size of the Flutter Extension Mascara from Lancome. This is the Idol Flutter Extension. Really, really nice mascara. And then I also received the new fragrance in a purse spray called Idol Power. This one's really nice as well. Very warm and woodsy. But guys, that's everything that I got in recent gratis hauls from January to March, beginning of March, I'll say. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is just a perk of working at Ulta Beauty and things that you get. It's not always like this. It varies from time to time, but it's really great to get these products and not have to buy them because they can be very expensive. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I hope that you guys have a very blessed day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.